But we begin tonight with a warning as you get ready for this Memorial Day weekend.
Do not let up in the fight against coronavirus.
We don't follow these practices. I'm pretty sure we'll be standing here in a couple weeks and there will be a spike.
5 on Your Side investigator Scott Knoll takes a look at the numbers that have health officials warning that this is not over yet.
Officials here at the Cuyahoga County Board of Health say they get it. People are sick of staying home, sick of staying apart. But they stress this Memorial Day weekend, if people are headed out, they need to be careful and need to be considerate. Crowded beaches, cookouts with family, parades down Main Street. For generations, they've been the images that symbolize the kickoff to summer in Northeast Ohio. But that was before coronavirus.
We want people to stay socially connected, but that 6-foot distance as a guide is still in place.
Cuyahoga County's health department says the holiday weekend doesn't mean people can take a break from things like social distancing, avoiding gathering in large groups, and skipping the use of masks in public.
This is, again, not about taking away anyone's individual right to do what they want to do. We just ask you to do it responsibly.
State health figures show the average number of new COVID-19 cases in Cuyahoga County has grown each of the last 3 weeks, something health officials say is a combination of more testing and more interaction between people as businesses reopen.
I would be remiss if I didn't say my heart was a bit heavy when I saw pictures on social media of people who were gathering and weren't social distancing.
In the last week, the county's Board of Health took 28 complaints about mass gatherings and people failing to follow social distancing rules. 14 of those complaints yesterday.
These safety protocols were put in place for a reason, and that reason hasn't changed.
Health officials urging everyone to be responsible this weekend and not undo what months of restrictions have accomplished.
Our numbers haven't blown up the way they may have been predicted to early because people followed recommendations, and we need people to continue to do that.
The health commissioner says they continue to work with businesses to make sure they're following the state's rules for reopening. He's hopeful businesses will comply, but says if they don't, the health department will do what's necessary to make sure those businesses are following the rules. In Parma, I'm 5 on Your Side investigator Scott Knoll.